In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PNG to vector SVG in Photopea for free. First, head over to photopea.com and open up your PNG file by heading over to File, then press Open. Then select your PNG file and open it up. Now head over to the Layers panel and click on your image layer. Now right-click into it, then click on Rasterize. Now at the top toolbar, click on Image and press Vectorize Bitmap. Now adjust the settings. Make sure that you increase the detail for cleaner edges, or you can also lower it for simpler shapes. Then, once done, press the OK button. Photopea will then automatically trace your image into vector paths. Now you'll see your design converted into vector shapes that you can scale without losing quality. Finally, at the top menu, go to File, then hover your mouse on Export As and choose SVG. Customize settings before saving, then press the Save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!